So this is Monday morning, December 27th. This is what it looks like on my street in Brooklyn. Lot of snow. Wow. This is the doorway. Snow just banked up against the door. Wow. Still falling a bit, not much as last night, but we still have a bit of snow. It's very windy. As you can see, there's a train line and there's an emergency vehicle with salt. I guess they're cleaning the streets. Wow. Let me see if I can step down here. I'm so happy I don't have to go to work until Saturday. Okay. And this is me. Okay, let's see how deep this snow is. Wow. Okay, people, this is my foot. And here we go. Going right down. Down, down, down. Okay, so it's like midway between my foot and my knee. So, let's see this one. Wow. Yep. It's almost there at my knee. So, to all those people who have lovely warm weather, thank God that you do have that weather right now, because this is not a nice sight. And pretty soon I have to go eat breakfast because I just got up a while ago. Hi, Gregory. Got up a while ago, and I have to eat my breakfast before I even start trying to clean all the snow on the sidewalk. Because if you don't in New York City, you get a ticket. And here's Gregory, neighbor / family who lives next door, and he's shoveling snow already. Hey, Gregory, Merry Christmas. Oh my God, that's one of the winds that we have to deal with. Gregory, how long did you start shoveling this morning?
Half an hour ago.
Half an hour? Damn, you did a lot. Oh. Wow. Okay, so this is what Gregory did. Gregory shoveled the snow for this house right here, where we have an elderly homeowner who's unable to clean in front of the and he's almost done with this. And then when he's finished, I guess he's probably going to try and do this house here too, because all these homes are basically right in a close family. So we're going to try to do that. Alright, Gregory. Later. We're coming out soon to do whatever we can soon. Alright. So this is what it looks like. Wow, look at that. Huh? Yeah, we're going to start there, and we were coming out to do what we have to do because we just got up. If you want, I'll just take a break, and when we're ready, we'll call, because it's a lot of work. So, look at the street. This is the street. Wow. I don't believe it. It's impossible right now. You can't even drive a car in this street. Wow, this will probably reach my knee. If you to get a better idea, this is the car that's parked right here. It's like snow drifts just went straight up to probably up the height of the door handle. If you look at it, and it's still windy. There's a lot of snow flying all over. And here I go. I'm right in the middle of the street. Again, it's impossible. Nothing is going to come through today unless it's snow. And here we are. Wow, this is incredible. I wish I could zoom in, but it's not allowing me to zoom in. So this is the best I could give you people. Yeah, what's going on? Like so many people this morning, I'm stuck since 8 p.m. And again, some people cannot even go to work today because streets are impassable. Buses are stuck. Nothing is moving. I see a train sitting on the train track, and I'm guessing that's stuck also because since I came out, I haven't heard a train pass, and this train has just been sitting there. So this is New York City. This is the East Coast when we get some bad blizzards. And again, thank you, Lucky Stars. It's a warm place because it's not nice. Yeah, it's like this. And to all, Merry Christmas again.